Ke Christ King College Shillong nekesngi ke arterik unaitung arjar arpuar ke Plie ke academic year arjar arpuar arhajar arpulai. Lasdangi ke nekesngi de kemas bekoi belaterwadu Archbishop ke Shillong Archdiocese Archbishop Victor Lyndoh hakajinge donlang erector ke nekejaka Pule Father Gerald Kongchi Dean of Studies Father John Walang Father Pinchai Lyndoh, Administrator, Father John Madhu, Spiritual Director, but Father George Menamparampil, Spiritual Director. Layashim Mintalang, Yakamas Pakot, the Kinong Hikai, but Kikana brother Jangate Kajakapule. Hadin Kamas, Ladonski program prepare, Naki Kana, but ki contain Lamprang, ki contain Kintu, but I mean same now Kongsan Jokanikasni, Archbishop, but Iba Bedarius, Shillong.
When he was elected as a king, then he offered prayer and sacrifices to God many times. And one of the occasions, as he prayed to God, God told him, revealed him, ask what I would give you. The voice of God told Solomon, ask what would I give you. Then Solomon could have asked for palace, power, prestige, property, popularity, but rather he replies, give your servant an understanding mind to govern your people, able to discern between good and evil. For you can't govern this your great people. So Solomon pleaded for wisdom, an understanding mind, for ruling and discerning between good and evil. So we are told it pleased the Lord that Solomon had asked this. God was very pleased because Solomon asked for wisdom. So consequently he was granted wisdom and everything else unasked for, riches, honor, or life, no other king shall compare with him. Someone gathers more knowledge in the course of his life, and someone gathers less. Knowledge is merely an understanding of what is around us and what imparts us and our surroundings.